Mag-me time muna tayo guys. Take time para magmuni-muni sa mga bagay-bagay. Take time para kumustahin naman natin ang sarili natin. Some days are heavy, some days feel slow, pero nandito pa din tayo. Still trying, still moving forward. I may not be where I want to be yet, but I'm closer than I was yesterday. Every small step counts, every effort matters. Even the days when I feel tired or unmotivated, I remind myself why I started. For my family. Hindi man madali, pero kakayanin. Hindi man mabilis, pero tuloy-tuloy lang. Behind every small wins is a story of discipline, patience, and faith. Isa to sa mga natutunan ko nung nag-hiking kami sa Sagada. Story time muna. When we were on our way to Marlboro Hills, meron kaming kasama mag-hike, senior na, siguro nasa 65 years old na. Then, she was about to give up na. She told our coordinator na babalik na lang siya kahit wala pa kami sa halfway. Pero malayo-layo na rin kami from where we started. Then, our coordinator told her na walang back trail, so walang choice kundi mag-move forward. Then, sabi ng daughter niya, "Ma, take small steps at a time. Dahan-dahan, mabagal pero tuloy-tuloy. Unti-unti aabot din tayo. Magpahinga pag kailangan." Simpleng salita lang pero may diin. Pwedeng-pwede natin i-apply sa sarili natin, sa kahit anong aspect ng buhay natin. Minsan, hindi natin kailangang thoughts lang natin ang papakinggan. Minsan, kailangan din natin ng wisdom galing sa ibang tao. So, yun lang po muna for today. Thank you for watching.